My name is Faraj Prajapati. Today I'm going to solve the LeetCode number 704 binary search algorithm. So what the problem statement says, it is a given a array like nums of and it was given a target like a value, which value I have to find. So I have to target like 9 number. So which indexes will present like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth index it will show the output. So I have to return the index which where the target is present. Or if the number is the target is not present in the nums array, so I will return -1. So we will directly do binary search algorithm. What the binary search algorithm says, we have to find mid value, mid index value, and we've checked if the mid value is less than target. So we will increment the ith position, or if the value is less than, then we will decrease the j position. So I will take two pointers, int I equal to 0 and int j equal to nums dot size, and we directly use while loop. I will take the mid value. So what the mid value, how can we find? If we directly add I plus j and we divide by 2, so I will get the mid value. We provide a condition like if nums of mid is less than target, so we directly return the index value like which is mid, or else if nums of mid is less than target, we increase the ith value I equal to mid plus 1. And last finally condition, if num is less than target, or if num is greater than target, so we will decrease the jth value, jth like j is equal to mid -1. Or if the target is not present in nums array, so we will directly return -1. If we run the code, okay, we'll do semicolon is missing. We run once, okay, okay. Okay, this will accepted my all test cases. If we go to submit, accepted with 0 millisecond. Runtime, I went there. This is my solution for this. LeetCode number 704 binary search. Thank you.